bachelor in all of India, ladies and gentlemen, or ladies, I should say. Reliably informed. I was told that. We haven't. Are you interested? We haven't met yet, but I was reliably informed that this is the most eligible bachelor of all of India.
If he's a playboy with a car like that, I'm keen.
Well, what better car for a playboy gentleman? Honorary reward if the judges would like to join the Playboy Club class. No winner, but honorary award receiver here in the front for the 1978 Nissan 280ZX. Congratulations, well done for your Nissan. What a striking color it is. You certainly cannot miss the powder blue of this Nissan.
You can just imagine His Highness spinning the gravel with his wheels as he goes off for another night out as a playboy.
It certainly has a great wrap